Welcome! In this lesson, we build an intuitive picture for how glaciers and periglacial processes shape actively growing mountain ranges. We will use the idea of the glacial buzzsaw, where climate through glaciers trims peaks near the snowline, also called the equilibrium line altitude. Let's draw a simple mountain range. Now, we add the snowline, the elevation where glacier mass balance is 0. Above this line, ice tends to persist and erode aggressively. The buzzsaw idea says peaks that rise above the snowline are rapidly worn down by ice. We can visualize that with a row of icy teeth, and with erosion arrows cutting down the tall peaks. Meanwhile, tectonic uplift pushes crust up from below. In a steady climate, erosion near and above the snowline can balance uplift, limiting peak height. Over time, models and observations show a concentration of land area just below the snowline. This is the hypsometric maximum. Not all erosion is by flowing ice. In cold, but ice-free zones near the snowline, frost cracking shatters rock. Debris builds talus and smooth summits just below the snowline. Let's highlight that band and add talus below headwalls. Climate matters. In wet, strongly glaciated ranges, peaks cluster near the snowline. In arid ranges, glaciers are weak and peaks can grow taller. Through time, climate oscillates. During the last glacial maximum, the snowline dropped and ice expanded. Peaks above the line were trimmed faster. As climate warmed, the snowline rose and glaciers retreated. Rivers began carving inner gorges into U-shaped valleys. Removing ice and rock also lets the crust rebound upward, a small but measurable uplift. To summarize, 1. Climate sets a snowline, and glaciers above it erode quickly, trimming peaks near that level. 2. Periglacial frost cracking around the freezing zone smooths and lowers high surfaces just below the line. 3. Tectonic uplift supplies rock upward, but erosion near the snowline often keeps mountain heights in check. 4. Over many cycles, ranges develop abundant area near the snowline with deep U-shaped valleys below. This climate tectonic coupling explains why many active ranges cap out near a common elevation tied to the snowline. Look for trim lines, cirques, and U-shaped valleys as the landscape signature of the buzzsaw at work.